Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin, your daily update. Heading into next week. Next week is going to be a pretty volatile week again. Not as volatile hopefully as last week or the last 2 weeks actually. But there are some big things happening, like for example on Thursday we have a testimony by Jerome Powell of the Federal Reserve, and we just in general have quite a lot of events then, so existing home sales, initial jobless claims, and apart from that, not too much. Another testimony on Wednesday, also accompanied by a little bit of economic events on Tuesday, but that's about it, at least in the beginning of the week. Friday doesn't really matter, we'll get to that later in the week, but that's we'll still talk about those events when they get close. But in this video we'll mostly just focus on Bitcoin and the movements of the short term. So before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But alright, so first of all, I mean it's the weekend, so yesterday we did not get that many moves. I mean, it was quite interesting because I anticipated some bearish momentum, which also came. I still anticipate that, and I still actually think some more bearish momentum could come. The thing is that normally in the weekend when the volume drops down, because right now, for example, you can see that the volume is very, very low. We haven't seen volume like that in quite some time. And with Bitcoin as well, it has dropped down below that 10 billion mark, which yeah, the last time we had that was about 4 days ago, but then and we get to those levels quite a lot, but it is a significant drop from where we are in the volatile week that we had, of course. So usually we don't really react to levels like that, like the 236 fib. And but yesterday we did. I still think that now that volume is still decreasing, and we do have a very strong resistance level right here at around 26,650. And 26,900. I still think that resistance is too strong to break through right now. There's always that possibility, as most of you know, on Sunday, kind of that Sunday to Monday transition, you do get quite a lot of volatility and momentum. And that momentum could be bullish too. I mean, if institutions and big market makers open up long positions, then yes, we can actually break above 26,900 and get up to these 27,400 and 27,200 levels. That's a possibility. That's something you cannot predict, but it is something you should take into account. But I do not expect that. I think it's more likely that the bullish momentum that we got was actually more closure of last week, and that we actually got some bullish momentum because of that. I think it was rather that than actually some sort of shift in momentum. So I still think that with this strong resistance level right here, it's more likely that we'll actually fall down to at least those levels around 26,000. And from there we'll see again. I mean, if we can hold those levels and actually set up some sort of stability and some more bullish momentum, perhaps then later we can get up towards 27,400. But for now, I think it's more likely to really get that bearish momentum and to see from there. Because if in the end we drop down to those levels and we barely find any support at 26,000, then before you know it, we're down towards that 25,000 level again. Could very well happen, but in the end, we'll all see, right? So that's my take on Bitcoin for right now, for this morning. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.